In this tutorial, we're going to learn some simple formatting so that we can improve the look of our graphs in the BioWin album and make them look good for documents and presentations. In our previous tutorials, we learned how to create some basic charts for time series and current value series. In this tutorial, we'll learn how to make those look like some of these examples. Let's look at the current value series we added in a previous tutorial. Most of the formatting that we routinely do on charts and series is available by right-clicking on the chart. Let's start by changing the series labels. The main things I change for the series labels are the font and the number formatting. If I right-click on the chart and choose Edit Series, I will be able to access these properties. When I do this, I am presented with an interface that allows me to access properties for all of the series that might be plotted in a chart. I can do high-level changes such as changing the series title, or deleting a series by clicking the delete button. I can also check and uncheck the box to the left of each series to show or hide that series on the chart. I can change the order of the series on the chart by clicking the up and down arrows. Finally, I can change the color of the series by double-clicking the color box to the left of the series. To edit more detailed aspects of a series, I can either double-click the series name or click it once and then click the Upper Series tab. Once I'm in the main series editor, I can access a wide variety of series properties and change them as I wish. Note that from within the editor, I can change the series I'm working on by using the list at the upper left. Or I can also move back out to the main chart series list. BioWin actually calls the series labels marks, so to change their properties, I click the Marks tab. There are a number of sub-tabs for the marks, all to do with changing formatting and display properties. To change the marks text size, I click on the Text sub-tab, then click on the Font button, and this will take me to a standard Windows font selection interface where I can choose the font, its style, color, and size. I'm going to change the font to bold and set the size to 12. We can see in the background all of these changes are being made on the fly, which is a great way to learn about formatting in BioWin. Next, I would like to show less decimal places for the labels. This property is accessed on the General tab in the Formats group. I can either choose from preset number formatting or type in my own. So I can choose a format with no decimal places, or I can choose a format with 1 decimal place. And these are editable too, so I can put in a comma there, and I can even type in text if I want. Once I have made these changes for one of the series, I can use the drop list to select the next series and go through the same steps. I can also use series labels on a time series to show me the values at different points on the line. For example, if I look at the time series we added in a previous tutorial, I can right-click, choose Edit Series from the pop-up menu, double-click the series I want to edit, click the Marks tab, and on the Style sub-tab, click the Visible button to turn the series labels on. I'm just going to move the series editor down a bit so we can see everything. With time series, there can be many points to label, and that can be a bit cumbersome. However, to overcome this, I can elect to only draw a label for every 2 points. or every 3 points. This concludes our tutorial for changing a series label's properties. Please see our video library for other tutorials on basic chart and series formatting.